Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 simple steps to help you jumpstart your weight loss journey. Whether you're just starting out or you've hit a plateau, these tips will help you get on track and stay motivated towards your weight loss goals. So, without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Set realistic goals. The first step to jumpstarting your weight loss journey is to set realistic goals. This means setting achievable targets for weight loss, as well as exercise and diet. Don't set yourself up for failure by setting goals that are too lofty or unrealistic. Instead, break down your long-term goals into smaller, more manageable steps that you can achieve over time. Step 2. Find an exercise routine you enjoy. The second step is to find an exercise routine that you enjoy. This can be anything from running to dancing to weightlifting. The key is to find something that you look forward to doing rather than something that feels like a chore. This will help you stay motivated and committed to your weight loss journey. Step 3. Make simple changes to your diet. The third step is to make simple changes to your diet. This doesn't mean going on a restrictive diet or cutting out all of your favorite foods. Instead, focus on making small changes, like swapping out sugary drinks for water or incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals. These small changes can add up over time and help you reach your weight loss goals. Step 4. Track your progress. The fourth step is to track your progress. This can be done in a variety of ways, such as weighing yourself regularly or tracking your workouts and meals in a journal or app. By tracking your goals, you'll be able to see how far you've come and stay motivated towards your goals. Step 5. Get support and accountability. The fifth and final step is to get support and accountability. This can be through a friend, family member, or even a personal trainer or coach. Having someone to hold you accountable and provide support can make all the difference in staying motivated and committed to your weight loss journey. So, there you have it, 5 simple steps to jumpstart your weight loss journey. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a destination, so be patient and kind to yourself along the way. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.